What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. I'm freezing right now. It is like 34 degrees out here, but we're out here with the Evo 3 behind me. It is the first caffeine and octane. It's actually the first meet for the Evo, so pretty excited about it. We got here super early, a lot of nice cars pulling in. So I'm gonna flip the camera, do what I do, and then we're gonna try to feature as many cars as possible. First, we're gonna start out with the cars from ATL Jdm. Shout out to Parth, he's behind me over here. We'll say what's up in a little bit. But he invited me to his like little reserve spot and he hooked it up. I got the Evo under the tent, so I'm getting the full VIP treatment. So shout out to those guys. If you're in Georgia, you're looking for JDM car, definitely go check them out. I'll put their information, website, all that good stuff down in the description below. Let's go check out some cars. So in the previous video, the engine teardown video, I said I was gonna get some Evo content for you guys. I actually detailed the car pretty thoroughly yesterday. I used some Meguiar's ceramic wax and it came out pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. But I did not pull the camera out and I did not actually film, so I do apologize about that. But I got her cleaned up, vacuumed, all that good stuff. I even have the Japanese plate put back on the front. Got the antique plate over here, but the car is breaking a lot of necks. I'm enjoying it because when I was in Japan, it was just another JDM car. You know, like the crazy high horsepower cars usually got a lot of the attention, but here it's not a common car, so breaking a lot of necks. We'll see if we can get some reactions from folks here in a little bit. But I did want to show this Suzuki Cappuccino. This is the owner of ATL Jdm's personal car, and it's kind of the, I guess it's like the shop's mascot. Love seeing a Cappuccino with the F6A 3-cylinder turbocharged engine. And then next to it is a Suzuki Auto Works. This thing is super cool. It's a RSX. It's funny not to be confused with the Acura RSX. This is a RS-X. Feeling like I'm in Japan right now. And next to it we got a R32 GTST, super clean. And all these cars, except for mine, I believe, were purchased from ATL Jdm, so you guys can get an idea what they got. I know they got new stock coming in January. They got some nice cars, so keep a lookout for that if you're in the States looking to get a right-hand drive JDM car. And then we got a Crown Majesta. I do remember seeing this car at the shop. I think I featured in the video. I don't remember. And somebody bought it and it's out here. Super cool to see.
Congrats on the new car.
And parked next to Dodge Viper GTS. This is probably my favorite American muscle car, I'm not gonna lie. Specifically this model. This car is awesome. What is it, 8-liter V10 on these? Rear-wheel drive. I don't even think these have ABS. And then a Plymouth Prowler. I haven't seen one of these in years, but pretty quirky, pretty cool cars. RIP Plymouth. Check this out. I know it's really not my scene, so I try to keep it somewhat in line of the channel, but if I see something cool that stands out, I'll feature it. But this is cool right here. Hyundai Genesis. You know, for those that have been with the channel for a long time, way back in the day, I actually had one of these. Got a YouTube here, High Revs Media. I wouldn't mind getting one a daily. It was a fun car, easy to work on, easy to mod. A little KDM action for you guys. Yo, Chris Fix, you out here? Big old Hummer. It's funny that this gets attention out of meat, but for me, I see it and I'm like, ugh, work. This is cool right here. Shelby 427 AC Cobra. Parked next to a Ford GT40. Yeah, I gotta check this out. Jeez. I'm gonna go ahead and assume a replica, but still. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. I actually rode in one of these. I worked at a car dealership when I was younger, exotic car dealership. And the boss drove me home one day, gave me a ride. This thing's a rocket. Jeez. This is amazing. Little mid-engine Vet C8. Very pretty car. What do you guys think about it? Old Plymouth Roadrunner. You thought the R33 GTR was a boat? Oh my goodness. This thing's ridiculous. And that wheel gap though. So I think these cars get featured on NBC Sports. We got a AZ1. Digging the yellow plate. Pretty clean, and check it out. This car was also purchased from ATL JDM. Look at that. It gets a little as seen on TV featured video. I think the Evo 3 needs to get on here. What do you guys think? What's more rare, an AZ1 or Evo 3? I don't know the production numbers on this. Super clean 370 Nismo. Big fan of the WS6 Trans Am. This is one of those vehicles that growing up as a kid, I think they're so ugly, but it's so cool at the same time. And RIP to Pontiac too. Oh, it's for sale. It's got an LS1 with a T56 Trans. Anybody's looking to get a Trans Am, here you go. There's some information. 14K or best offer. I don't know what these are going for these days, but really sweet cars. 2.0 Cross, man. Alright, so it's finally warming up a little bit. I actually had to take a break filming. My hands were shaking so bad. But a lot more cars rolled in, so we're just going to keep the train rolling, walk around, and see what else we can find. Check out this old Datsun 280. Love these cars. Oh, we got some info on it. The interior is super clean. All right, Air Force Place, nice. Respect the rust. The 73 Datsun 240. My little dyno chart. 204 to the wheels, 205. Oh, nice. I love the paint. Yeah, appreciate it. So what would be a car show in the States without some supercars? Nice lineup over here. Man, stopping the show right now. Supercar is getting a lot of attention out here. I love supercars as much as the next person, but after going to Liberty Walk in Nagoya, just seeing them in stock form, it's not the same. I mean, they're all works of art. This is the first time I've seen one of the Lamborghinis, what is it, Urus? I don't know how I feel about it. Watch out, watch out. Yo, a DeLorean. Yes. Cult classic right here. Little crowd around the Evo. Digging it. Alright guys, the show is kind of coming to a close. I didn't get a whole lot of footage. I've actually been talking to a lot of people. A lot of people actually surrounded the Evo, which is kind of cool because when I was in Japan, the Evo 3 was just another JDM car, and you know how it goes. But here, it's pretty unique, so a lot of people ask me about it, popping the hood. But it is time for the rollout footage, so I'm going to see if I can get any kind of cool cars. I got to dodge the Mustangs though, I'll say that. Let's go see what we can find. we got some more JDM boys over here. Let's check out this Supra. I see some Real Street Performance stickers on it. Oh yeah, this thing's fast. Check out this left-hand drive GCA. Just talked to the owner. It's got some Inky RPF ones on it. You guys know how I feel about these wheels. Wish I could find me a set for the Evo, the left-hand drive, but he said he got the engine from Japan. So it's got the EJ20. Oh, I love the LC 500. Saw a bunch of these at Tokyo Auto Salon. Super clean Porsche. Yeah, 350Z over here. Some Inky RPF ones. And there's so many cars over here. Super clean FD. This is beautiful.
No, I wouldn't want to get yellow. I don't know why. Come on, man. I wouldn't want to get yellow.
Little shout out to Car Dude 95. Check you out. Minnesota, nice. Nice CA Corvette. We got some NSXs over here. And I should have been down here all along. What else we got? It's more my style, more my flow. 300ZX convertible. Another Z. I like the style on this Fox body. Nice S2000. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Some right-hand drive action, VIP style. Oh, it's making me miss Japan right here. The curtains, seat covers. A straight Japanese taxi for you. Oh, KTM action, some Velocers. Oh, this meat is massive. I didn't realize it goes all the way down over here. Rally Art Lancer, the RX-8. It's kind of weird seeing them in the Lexus form, not to be confused with the Toyota store. This sign's pretty funny. No cruising, no burnouts, loud revving, no two-stepping. Well, I think a lot of people are breaking those rules today. Yup, leave it to the Mustang owners. I love the sound of a Coyote though. Nice. This guy driving with the AutoZam, doors up, dog chilling. That's pretty funny. And I think I just found my favorite car of the entire meet. Where my Bond fans at? Lotus Esprit? No way. This is cool. I want to say it's from The Spy Who Loved Me, classic movie. Nailed it. Classic movie. Roger Moore, one of my favorite Bonds. So cool. So glad I got to see this in person. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite car of the show was. I want to know. And if I get any more footage, I'll go ahead and put it after this. But I got a long drive back to the house, but awesome turnout. Parth, shout out to you. Thanks for the invite, man. Felt like a VIP at the meet. And finally got the Evo out and about. So hopefully putting the Evo on the map for some people here in America. Stay tuned for the next video. I got a lot of stuff coming for you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.